We're going to be reading for the sign of Gemini. All that I need to know about your person, your situation from now until the end of the month. So where things are going for the sign of Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. So let's start. Hope you guys are doing well. So yeah, let's start. First we move to you and then we go to your person. First the cards are going to be for you. So what's your overall energy going to be like? Okay, with Seven of Swords, some of you guys could be wanting to distract yourself, or you guys are finding it difficult to stay away from something, but you guys are not ready to face it either. Okay, so I believe something ended, but you guys are not coming to terms with it. Okay, in the past, I see someone hurting you, or it has been going on for a while. You know, if it's not recent, then you do feel like someone did you wrong, and you cannot get over it completely. Top card with Queen of Pentacles, a part of you still cares about this individual or situation. Okay, in terms of what's your overall challenge gonna be like, Gemini, for the month of July. Challenge is going to be to maintain safe distance from someone, okay, or something, but you guys have to stay away, you guys have to draw a line, you guys have to set boundaries. Okay, you guys cannot just let someone in and out of your life over and over again. With Five of Swords, a part of you wanted to know about this person or situation, or you guys were waiting on some sort of communication or closure. Okay, top card we have for you is the Magician, which speaks about you finding it difficult to stay open to something new in your life. Okay, in terms of what needs to change for Gemini, what needs to possibly change for Gemini. I believe that, darling, you guys need to stop focusing on this one connection. You guys need to keep your options open. Okay, what is meant to be will never miss you. Okay, it is never going to go by. Okay, you guys are going to possibly get back if it's meant to be. If it's not meant to be, you got to keep your options open. Okay, in terms of what's coming your way for the month of July, Geminis. With Temperance card selected few of you, there could be a Sagittarius or particular water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio coming your way. Okay, with the Knight of Wands, this person might be having fire or water in their chart. I see this person being very good looking. It could be that for some of you, this is a connection based on attraction. Okay, this connection could also be sexual for some of you. For selected few of you, this could be long distance. Okay, one card for what's the overall energy going to be of your relationship. With Ten of Cups, I believe regardless if you're with someone or without someone, I see you being happy in the couple of months. Okay. With Ace of Wands, there was an opportunity for you to start fresh, but I believe you did not take it for whatever reason. Okay. With Five of Wands, you guys are still conflicted about the past. Okay. But I do believe with Ten of Cups, there is a relationship coming in your life pretty soon. Okay. In terms of your soulmate, what's the energy like? The Lovers card, how are they thinking about Gemini? How is this person possibly thinking about Gemini? For some of you, this could be a new relationship altogether. Okay. With King of Wands, this person is definitely wanting to take action, wanting to take that step forward. Okay. With the Fool card, this person has that vision in mind that they want to come forward. Okay. In terms of their overall energy towards you. With Queen of Pentacles, this person does care about you. This could have been a friendship in the past, which slowly moved towards attraction and slowly towards a situation where you guys kind of think about each other a lot. Okay. Top card we have for you is Six of Pentacles. So this person has been giving into you. It is not like you haven't met this person yet. You have met this person, and they have been like putting in some bits of effort. Okay, I see some presence in your life. Okay, but with Queen of Pentacles, this person does care a lot about you. They do think about you, and not just that, they also want to see you happy in life. Okay, so overall, I'm getting a very wifey vibe, like someone who really cares about your future, like a long term of happiness. Okay, in terms of their feelings for you, in terms of their honest feelings. Ace of Cups. This person loves you crazy. For many of you, this is someone who is new. This isn't your past toxic person. Okay, this is someone you've met maybe past 6 months. Not someone you've known for like 2 fucking years. Okay, with Two of Swords in the past, they could have been confused. They could have been in and out of your life. The Knight of Wands, Two of Swords. Okay, but I believe this person right now, they have lots of feelings for you. However, they might have not explored that feelings that they have for you, and they might have not expressed it. However, trust me, they do. Okay, in terms of how are they wanting to come forward, how are they possibly wanting to come forward towards Gemini for the month of July. King and Queen of Pentacles together, which speaks about soulmates. I believe this person will come in with a lot of stable energy. This person won't be in and out. This person would be someone who stays. Okay, they might, however, not be very romantic. I see this person being very financially well off. Some of you even better than you. Okay, top card we have is Knight of Wands. So I see a lot of sexual energy, but not a lot of emotional expression. But a lot of stability at the same time. A lot of sexual energy, like flirting, hinting, all that sort of shit. Okay, in terms of their heart space, one card for their heart space. What do they truly have for Gemini? In terms of their heart space, I believe they feel ghosted. Okay, they feel like you're staying away or you've been distant for whatever reason. In the past, they felt like you were not taking them seriously. This could go vice versa for some of you, but majorly, I believe with the Hermit card here, this person is feeling ghosted. In terms of their headspace, how are they thinking about Gemini? I also feel like they were distant in the past. Okay, yeah, when it comes to expressing their emotions, they go ice cold. They do not express their feelings, emotionally unavailable, but at the same time they bring in a lot of stability, a lot of passionate energy. Okay, but emotionally unavailable. With Five of Wands, this person is hard to get, kind of energy where they act a bit pricey. They have that attitude that you should chase me first. You should be the one who messages me first. So bit of a narcissism there, but we all have some sort of narcissistic tendencies, don't we? Right? So yeah, one card for their intentions towards you now. For many of you, this has been a past friend. Okay, someone you've already known and been good friends with. Okay, in terms of intentions, they do want to choose you. They do want to come forward. They do want to have this connection in their life. Okay, in the past as well, I believe they wanted it. If even now, even today, even day after, this person is still wanting you. Okay, in terms of what action they're gonna take towards you, what action does this individual want to take towards Gemini? With Knight of Pentacles, they could be slow, but trust me, they are coming one step at a time. Slow energy, but at the same time, you can trust what they have to offer. Okay, in terms of what can you expect, what can Geminis expect for the month of July? The Six of Cups, definitely a return of a soulmate. Okay, in the past, this very soulmate was a bit distant, could have been a bit rude as well. If it's not by words, by actions, they could have just ghosted you and said nothing, gave you no closure, and kept you wondering what the fuck happened here. Okay, so yes, where is this connection going for now? Where do we see this connection going for now? Judgment, which speaks about you guys will have another opportunity to come together again, so another chance. Okay, top card, lots of communication coming in. What does this person want from you? What does this individual want from Gemini? Seven of Pentacles, they want you to possibly stay patient with them, be patient with them, and possibly even wait for changes, wait for a shift. Okay, one more card. Basically, they want you to be open to them. Okay, in terms of what's the major blockage in this connection? Major blockage is Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. Things were not, looking good in the past because you guys did not have the luck to come together. Like every time you guys focused on coming together, something always came in the way. Like the destiny did not want the connection to happen. Okay, or we could say divine timing. It wasn't the time for you to come together. Right now, I would say with Wheel of Fortune in the reverse, things will change. However, things were not very much in your favor. Okay, something or the other always came in the way. Okay, in terms of what does this person like about you and what do they not like about you. What do they like about you is that you're always curious. You're always someone who wants to know like what's happening in their life, who is also very protective of them, very much looking after. You guys might have not been very like clingy as well. You guys know to give space. Okay, what do they not like about you? What is individual not like about you? I also believe they did not find you childish. They thought you were mature. Okay. What do they not like about you is sometimes you can go ice cold. Sometimes you could act like you're not bothered, and you kind of make them feel unwanted at times. Not always, at times. Okay, like you may behave like you have too many options and you're not really bothered about any of them. Okay, you could give them that energy. In terms of their love messages, I've been trying hard to get your attention. Okay, I've been trying hard to get your attention. King of Cups, I love you a lot, but it's difficult for me to express it. King of Cups is someone who has hard time expressing it even after having all those feelings for you. With Five of Wands, this person, even if they have other options, they only have their eyes on you. And not just that, they want something stable with you. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Gemini from now until the end of the month. All that you need to know about a connection situation. So darling, if it has resonated with you in any which way, do hit the like button, do let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. All those who want a personal reading with me, please reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope you have a great week ahead. Cheers.